When you're first assigned a ticket from JIRA, you will receive an email in your inbox like this. To begin dealing with the ticket, you can either click on View Issue or the ticket number, in this case 4010. Once you open up the ticket, the first thing you'll see is the title of the issue. In this case, the FDBK CAN feedback submissions means it was submitted from an employee's feedback button. The province is the province in which the customer is located. Finally, the next bit of information is the customer's answer to the question, how likely are you to recommend Epiroc to a friend? These values automatically change based on the form submitted. Under the description header below, you will be able to see all the information that was gathered from the form. You can see the customer's name, telephone number, email, the province they are from, and finally their answers to the two questions, how likely are you to recommend Epiroc, and what is one thing Epiroc can improve. Below that, you will see three fields, refer department, employee, and location. These fields are automatically generated based on which Epiroc employee's button was clicked on. In this scenario, Jamie Charlin's button was clicked on, and his department and location, as well as his email, were automatically generated. When a ticket comes in, there are a few actions you may need to take. Firstly, you can assign the ticket to another employee. To do this, you can click on the Assign button on the top action bar. This will open up a window where you'll have to input who you're assigning this issue to, and you'll also be given an option to leave a message for them. The assignee will receive an email that the issue has been assigned to them and it is their responsibility. Additionally, you can leave comments on the ticket, which is helpful if you need or have input or want to brief someone what to do or what has been done already. The comment function will only be used to comment internally. This is because the tickets are automatically rerouted from an internal email address, so we don't have the functionality to be able to directly communicate with the customer in JIRA. To send an email to the customer, you will have to pull their email address from the description box above and use Outlook. In this section down here, you can also see all the previous activity on the ticket. You can see if any work has been logged. You can see the history of the ticket, which tracks its movement throughout JIRA. Finally, you can track the activity on the ticket. This tracks any comments, updates, and also the status of the ticket throughout time. Back at the top, you'll see a few more actions you can take with the ticket. The More tab provides a lot of different actions, but for most instances, we will not be using it. On the right nav bar, you can opt to watch the ticket. This will enable you to follow the issue's progress throughout the system. Slightly below that, you will see the date the ticket was created and the date of the most recent internal update. Finally, at the top of the page, you can see the progress of the ticket. This ticket is currently in progress and unresolved. You can change the status of the ticket using one of these buttons on the top toolbar. Watch how the ticket status automatically updates when I click Waiting for Internal. Finally, once the ticket is resolved, you'll need to click on Workflow and click either Resolve or Close. On this form, you'll have to select how the ticket was resolved or closed. The rest of the form does not need to be filled out. Finally, you can click Resolve on the bottom of the form and the ticket will be resolved and will be cleared off your dashboard. Finally, upon resolving the ticket, an email will be sent to you and all the people watching the ticket that lets them know that the ticket has been resolved.